Well-known businessman Johnny Chen of Spalding, Clarendon passed away after contracting COVID-19. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. The cool hills of Spalding in Clarendon has been plunged into mourning following the untimely passing of well-known businessman from the era, Mr. Johnny Chen. Johnny Chen, who operated the Spalding Bakery and Garage in Spalding, Clarendon, succumbed to the deadly coronavirus on Monday, August 23rd, a few days after being diagnosed. He was first admitted at the Spalding Percy Junior Hospital, but his condition worsened on Sunday and he was then transferred to the Mandeville Regional Hospital where he passed away. A number of community members, both local and even on the international scene, have took to social media just in order to express shock at the untimely passing of Mr. Chen. Mr. Chen was an accomplished businessman and a graduate of the Knox College in Spalding, Clarendon. He and his younger brother Anthony, Alfred, and Alvin took over his late father's bakery and garage in the 1970s. Over the ensuing years, he established himself as a prominent member of the business community in Spalding and its environs. He later diversified the business operation by adding a gas station, heavy-duty equipment, and wrecking service. Mr. Chin is survived by wife Jeannie and two daughters, Carlene and Raquel. His first daughter, Lisa, preceded him back in 2017. He is survived by brothers Kingsley, Anthony, and Alvin, as well as a number of sisters including Sania Chong and Barbara Chong Song. This beloved businessman was in his early 70s. News of his untimely passing spread like wildfire in Spalding, the Knox community, and nationally and even internationally. People from across all diaspora in the neighboring towns located in Clarendon, Manchester, and St. Anne's have been pouring out with grief for a man who most describe as having a very kind heart, easy and soft-spoken. It is not yet known whether an autopsy will be ordered. Reports coming to us is that the hospital in Spalding where Mr. Chang was ailing is under severe pressure due to the rising number of COVID cases. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to the family and friends of the late Johnny Chen. This is where we're signing out for now. Links 007 TV News Report.